Carvana video, I had updated you guys about the stock trading a lot lower. This was November 21st. So if we come over here and we find November 21st, we'll find that we were right around here. So this is what we were looking at before. I was telling you guys I wasn't really sure if I was going to be buying because I didn't know if this was going to keep coming. Some of these lines weren't drawn in the last video, so you can go look at the last one if you want to see it, but I was definitely looking at this thing starting to trend upwards because we had this type of pattern and we came all the way back down to basically fill right back into the same type of pattern in the uptrend. Now overall at the tops, you can see that there's a downtrend from right here that's going straight down. Now I believe that we're trying to see some type of breakout. I say this mostly because of this, because all right, so we got this first little trend line drawn in here, and you can see that every time it goes through here, it comes down. Like every time it pops back up and it doesn't stay right there, it comes right back down. Okay, and came back down, but it fell within this line here. And then we got this middle line here that gives it kind of like a middle type of deal here. So if we go beyond this line, then this is the next one that we're in. All right, and so it follows that same thing. So we stayed up in this space here, and that's where we touched again today. So now I'm hoping that when we come down and we touch this yellow line once again, we come through here, and then there will only be so much space right here within this yellow line, because you can see that this yellow line definitely still plays a part. Both of these, this is just one big area inside here, but you can see that it plays a big role in how this thing is going, right, in the trajectory of it all. So it's going to come down, hopefully touch this yellow line once again, or it could do it right now if it stays above this little short-term range in here. Let me go in a little bit closer so you guys can see. So it's bouncing between these two yellow lines right here, and then right now it should touch this yellow line, and then there's only so much room in here and it's going to break out. Now I'm not going to say it's going to break out and keep going up here, but it's definitely going to break out of this trend and form a different trend. If we zoom back out, this trend can go out and it can break out to right here, and it can still come down because this downtrend is still in this area right here. So it can still come down, touch here, come down, stay up here, and then come up and then break back down and come back down. So I'm not saying that at all, but what I'm saying is we're going to definitely break out of this trend soon. So if we go down and we touch this, don't be surprised if we see this thing come up here and start trying to form something to hopefully keep going in this direction. All right, and form with these bottoms, because this bottom right here and this top right here, look at this bottom line here and this top line here, like I said, is forming that wedge. Always with the wedge, we're going to come straight down, or we're going to go straight up out of this thing. So I just wanted to show you guys that. If you follow me on X, then you would see that I basically made all of my entries already, and my average price is around $30 now. I was buying this thing way back when in January, December time, when we were at $7, $4. I've been already sold. I made a really good profit, so of course I'm going to take profit where profits due. But I found me a new entry level, and this is where I've been. Average price is about $30, and we're going to see where this thing takes us, because we're hoping we go back up to old all-time highs. Carvana expands same-day delivery today to Florida residents, so that's why we saw that spike. Carvana stock and CarMax, they also had some losses because Amazon was talking about entering the space. That was I think a little bit before the last video, right? Yeah. So but that wasn't on there. I just currently added that today. So this was the update on Carvana. If you guys are going to get in, then obviously Thursdays, like I always tell you guys, Thursdays are a big key day. So we could see this thing break out as early as tomorrow, but more than likely we're going to see this thing keep following the trend. We may see it come down just a little bit like that, because Thursday is always like something different always happens on a Thursday. And I mean, I can just give you guys an example of that now. Well, actually Thursday's not even on the last one because we were closed because of Thanksgiving, but you can see we broke through This, we came back down on a Thursday through that trend line. Let's find another one. This Thursday, you can see this big big candlestick. This Thursday, we broke up way through all of these. All right. So yeah, Thursdays are a big key day. Look, Thursday, we finally broke through that, and that gave us confirmation we were going to keep going down. I can give you another one, another Thursday right here. We touched this. We touched this trend line right here. We kind of started to build support in between this, but eventually it broke out. But yeah, Thursdays just seem to be that day. Look, come straight break through both of those. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, tomorrow we're definitely going to see what's going on with this thing. Hopefully, like I said, comes back down, does exactly what I'm thinking, and yeah, you see this thing take off. Catch you guys in the next video. Hope you appreciate it.